Good morning children. Today I am going to take class 3 subject value education. Lesson number 2, a loyal pet. What do you mean by loyal? You should believe and trust to the animals. Give your pet the same love you give to your family members. How we love your family members, we have same love you have to show to the pet animals also. You are cycling in your neighborhood in the evening. You see some children throwing stones at a stray dog. What you will do? You are cycling, okay, near in your neighborhood. Some children are throwing stones to the dog. What you will do? Here two options are given. Keep cycling. Stop and tell the children it is wrong to hit the animals. Which option you will choose? Second one. You will tell to the children, no, it is wrong to hit animals. Right. Read this story about Siddhartha and his kindness towards his pet dog. Let me see how he will show Siddhartha and his kindness towards his pet dog. Siddhartha and Tuffy. Siddhartha lived with his wife and baby near a tea plantation. Who are living with Siddhartha, his wife and baby, where they are living near a tea plantation. One day he saw a sick puppy laying on the road. One day what happened? He saw a puppy laying on the road. It was very weak and looked hungry. How it was the puppy? He was very weak and he was so hungry. Siddhartha got the puppy home and took care of it. Siddhartha took the puppy to home and took care of it. Soon the puppy became well. It was now a part of the family. What happened? That puppy has become very strong. It was now a part of the family. People made fun of Siddhartha for keeping and taking care of a stray dog. People, what they have started making fun of the Siddhartha. They are keeping a stray dog, right? He is taking care and all. So they are making fun of Siddhartha. But Siddhartha didn't care. He loved the dog and named it Tuffy. Siddhartha, what he has done, he didn't care only, and he loved the dog and he kept the name Tuffy. What the name of the dog? Puppy now? Tuffy. One day Siddhartha and his wife went out leaving the baby sleeping. One day what happened with his wife? He is going. He's left the baby because baby was sleeping, and he came outside. They were not very far from the house. They were not so much far from the house. Tuffy came running to them. It kept barking as if it was trying to say something. What he has done, can you see this picture? The Tuffy has started barking. Okay, he wants to try to say something. It would take a few steps towards the house and then come back to Siddhartha and pull his shirt. He started pulling his shirt. He wanted to say something. Siddhartha understood that something was wrong. What he has done, the Siddhartha understood it was where something was wrong. We had to go back to home. He followed Tuffy to the house. Siddhartha followed Tuffy to the house. As he reached the house, he saw that it was on fire. When Siddhartha and his wife came back and they have seen the house is on fire. He has taken, because the baby was in house only, no? Siddhartha quickly ran in and carried the baby out to safety, and he saved his baby life. He entered his house and saved the baby life. Tuffy had saved the life of the baby. See, the Tuffy has called the Siddhartha to save his baby life. Everyone was surprised. Everyone has very surprised. And its intelligence, because the Tuffy has saved his baby life, no? Everyone very surprised. They felt ashamed that they had made fun of such a loyal and brave dog. The people are making fun the Tuffy, right? Now they are making they make the fun to Tuffy, right? So now they have started telling how it was so loyal and brave dog. The Tuffy saved the baby life, right? What you have learned in this story? You should not harm the animals. Or the moral of this story? Kindness to animals. Thank you.